You have been doing affiliate marketing the wrong way. What if I show you the easiest way to make your first $3,000 on Clickbank as a complete beginner? And no, you don't need prior experience. All you literally need to do is to follow the 3 steps I'm about to show you in this video, and you will well be on your way to making passive income on Clickbank. And as you can see right on your screen, I have generated almost $3,000 today alone on Clickbank, and I'm virtually going to show you how you can do this as well in your Clickbank account. And if you're new to this channel, I make videos about how to earn money online. And if you like that type of content, then make sure to look around the channel. You will definitely find other interesting videos. So the first step is going over to clickbank.com to create an account. And for those who don't know, Clickbank is an affiliate marketplace, virtually the biggest affiliate marketplace in the world, where you can find various physical and digital products that you can promote to people and start making passive income online. So once you come over to the platform, all you simply need to do is to create an account as an affiliate, as we are going to be promoting other people's products and getting commissions. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to this page, and all you literally need to do is to enter your basic information, your country, your first name, last name, phone number, email address, and password. And this is all you literally need to do to create an account on Clickbank. So once you do that, the second step is to go over to this website, cbsnooper.com. And this is a website that is going to take away all the guesswork of picking the right product to promote on Clickbank. And as you can see right here, you can sign up to this website for absolutely free. Once you sign up to this website, you can see the best products to promote. I mean, the products that are currently making other affiliates money on Clickbank. And that way, you don't need to guess which product to promote. You can simply work with the right data and start promoting the right product and start making money. So once you create an account on cbsnooper.com, your dashboard is going to look like this. There are a lot of products here. You can see recently added products, trending products, and top products. I highly recommend to go with products in the trending section, because this tells you this is the product that affiliates are currently promoting on Clickbank right now, and they are making a lot of money. So another option you can use to find products to promote on Clickbank is by simply coming over to the marketplace of Clickbank itself. So once you come over to the marketplace, as you can see, there are various categories right here where you can find products from and start promoting on Clickbank. And as you can see, you are going to see the gravity score of each product, and that tells you the number of affiliates that are currently generating profit promoting this product. So I highly recommend to stay away from this type of product, because it's already oversaturated already, and most of these affiliates are spending thousands of dollars in ads every day promoting this product. And as a beginner, you don't stand a chance making money from this product because it's already saturated by top affiliates. So you want to look for a product that generally has a gravity score between 5 to 20. Okay, these are the sweet spots, and these are the type of products you want to promote, because it's not oversaturated yet. Some affiliates are making money with that product, and you definitely stand a chance making money with that product as well. So all you simply need to do is to select any niche or any category of your choice, or you can come over here and type in a keyword related to whatever niche you want to work with, and you are going to see a lot of products you can choose from. So for this video, I'm going to take the weight loss niche, and I found this product that we are going to be taking as an example. And as you can see, the gravity score of this product is 6.41, which tells you at least 6 affiliates are making money promoting this product. And that tells us we can also promote this product as well, as it's not oversaturated, and we can definitely make money promoting this product. And also, if you take a look right here, this product is going to pay us $145 for every sale we bring to this product. And that is not all. Every single month, as long as people continue using this program, we are going to be making $52 in our pocket for free every single month. Which means if you make 10 sales promoting this product, and these 10 people decide to continue using this product, you are going to get paid additional $52 every single month because they continued using that product. So it's very important to keep an eye out for products that have recurring commission, which means you can make passive income as long as your customers continue using that product. I hope this makes sense. Okay, so now the next thing you want to look out for is affiliate page. It's very important to go for products that have affiliate page because this tells you the vendor is serious about that product and they are going to provide you with a lot of resources that you can use to make money promoting their product. So if you come over to the affiliate page of this product, which is the BioFit affiliate tools, as you can see here, they've provided us with a lot of materials we can use to make money promoting their products. So all you literally need to do is to take advantage of the resources at your disposal to make money with this product. So for this video, we are going to be working with the free ebooks. So once you click on it, as you can see, they've provided us with 4 ebooks we can use to promote their product. Okay, so if I take this ebook here, favorite wardrobe, which is going to show people exactly the type of clothes they need to wear to look best, and it's going to make them look like they lost 10 pounds. So this ebook is going to be valuable to people who are trying to lose weight and people who want to look fit. So once you click on that ebook, as you can see, you can download it right away to your device by clicking on the download button. And if we go over this ebook, as you can see, it's giving people a lot of value and the type of clothes they need to wear to look as if they've lost a lot of weight. So all we just need to do from here is to download this book straight away to our device. And that takes us to the third step of this video by going over to Fiverr, and we are going to be looking for people who can edit this ebook for us, as we are going to be embedding our affiliate links into this ebook. So all you need to do is to type in ebook editor on Fiverr. And for those who don't know, Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can hire freelancers from all over the world to complete tasks for you for a certain fee. Okay, so if you come over to Fiverr, you're going to see a lot of people that you can hire for $5 to edit this ebook for you. However, if you don't have the budget for Fiverr, you can come over to SechThat.com. And this is a website you can use to edit ebooks for absolutely free. As you can see, you can edit PDF for free. You can add text, links, images, and whatever you want into the ebook. So all you simply need to do is to upload the ebook to this website. So once you upload the ebook, it's going to look like this. And like I said, you can add your affiliate link into this ebook. And to do that, you want to grab your affiliate link from Clickbank. So all you just simply need to do is to click on promote. And once you do that, you want to then click on create uplink. So once you grab your uplink, you want to come over to text. And this is where you then want to type in a simple call to action like this. Number 1, recommended way to lose weight fast. And if you do this, you want to come over to the link section by clicking on create a link. And this is where you then want to paste in your affiliate link from Clickbank. Once you do that, you want to definitely then come over to a few pages of this ebook and you want to repeat this step. And this is all you literally need to do to add your affiliate links in this ebook using SechThat.com. And once you're done, all you simply need to do is to then click on apply changes. So once you do that, it's going to bring you to a page saying your document is ready. And if you scroll down here, you can see we are going to see this call to action we added. And this is what people are going to see as well once they start going through this ebook. Once they click on the link, it's going to bring them to the sales page of this product. And once they make a purchase, you get your commission. So you then want to make sure to click on download to download this to your device, as this is the version we are going to be promoting to make money with this product. And I'm going to show you 2 traffic sources that I use to make money promoting Clickbank products. And you can definitely use these 2 traffic sources as well. The first one is Facebook. So all you simply need to do is to type in keyword related to whatever niche you are working with. Since we are working with the weight loss niche, we want to type in weight loss in the search bar of Facebook, and you want to then filter to groups. So once you do this, you are going to see a lot of Facebook groups you can join. And as you can see, these Facebook groups are very active. So all you simply need to do is to then join each of these groups like this. And I advise not to use your main Facebook account to do this. You want to create a separate Facebook account to promote affiliate products, okay? And also, you are not going to be spamming these Facebook groups, as that method does not work and it will only get you removed from that group or even get your Facebook account deleted. All you need to do is to join 10 to 20 of these groups. So once you join this group, we are then going to be promoting this product. Of course, like I said, we are not going to be spamming this group with our affiliate link. We are basically going to be giving people this ebook for free. Once people start going through this ebook, they are getting value and enjoying the book. They are going to come across our call to action within the ebook, and if they click on it, it's going to take them to this product page, and if they purchase the product, we make money. It's that simple. So before you make any post on Facebook, I highly recommend to come back to the affiliate page of this product, where you are going to find professionally written email swipes that capture attention and get clicks, as this is what we want people on that Facebook group to do, so that once they click on the link, they download the ebook, they are going to find our affiliate link within the ebook. So you want to click on the email swipe. As you can see, they provided us with a lot of emails we can then use as lead magnet to get people to download this ebook. So I'm going to copy this email here as an example. So you then want to paste in that email swipe here like this. So you can see here, everything taught about weight loss is wrong, and this is going to capture people's attention to read through this post, and we are then going to paste in our link right here. And now the next thing you then want to do is to go to your Google Drive account, as this is where we are going to be uploading the ebook. So once you come over to your Google Drive account, all you just need to do is to click on upload file. So once you upload the file to your Google Drive, all you need to do is to click on it. So you want to ensure the one you upload on Google Drive is the one that contains our affiliate link, and as you can see right here. Okay, so now you want to come over to where it says share. You then want to scroll down to where it says restricted, and you want to change this to anyone with link, and you want to click on copy link. So once you copy the link, you can then use URL shorteners like bit.ly.com or tinyurl.com to shorten the link. All you then need to do from here is to click on shorten URL. Then you want to copy the shortened version, and this is where you then want to paste in the link. So once you do this, all you then need to do is to click on post. And once people come across this post on their timeline, and they click on this link, it's going to take them to the ebook. And once they go through this ebook, getting value from it, they are going to likely click on our affiliate link, which is then going to take them to the sales page of this product. And if they purchase the product, we make money. So the second traffic source is YouTube. And I must mention, this will require some budget. However, you need to keep in mind, to make money online, sometimes you need to also invest money upfront. So once you come over to YouTube, all you need to do is to type in weight loss. You want to go over to the filter section, and here you want to then select channels. What this means is you want YouTube to only show you channels that create content about weight loss. So you then want to look for channels that have between 1,000 to 10,000 followers. Okay, so as you can see, we have some channels right here. You can see this one has 4,000 subscribers, and this one has 10,000 subscribers. So I'm going to take this channel that has 4,000 subscribers as an example. So if you go over to the channel, and as you can see here, we can reach out to this channel. All you need to do is to go over to the about section, and if you do that, you can see here they have their email address here. You want to reach out to 5 to 10 small channels like this, and you want to then ask them for their promo rates. All you are going to be doing is simple. You are going to let the channel know you are giving away an ebook that can help their subscriber lose weight, and keep in mind their subscribers already like these people and trust them. So basically, once you include your affiliate link in this ebook and they share it with their subscribers, many of them will definitely find value in it, and then some of them will click on the affiliate link. And like I said, this will require some budget, as the channel is likely to charge you to promote this ebook, which contains your affiliate link. So basically, you want to negotiate a price with this channel and have them promote this ebook for you to their followers, and I can assure you, you definitely make money from it, because these are targeted audience. So basically, if you combine using Facebook and YouTube, you will definitely make money promoting any Clickbank product, even as a complete beginner. So if you like this video, I highly recommend to check out the video on your screen right now, as this is the next video you should watch to scale your affiliate earnings.